Okay, so today I'm going to teach you all, just give you all a recap on how to construct equations and then solve them. Okay, so let's look at this question. I think of a number, I multiply it by 6 and then add 3. If my answer is 75, calculate the number I started with. Okay, so I think of a number, I don't know what the number is. So when I have a question and I don't know what something is, I can just put it as an unknown x. So I multiply that number, so I multiply it, so this x, right, I multiply it by 6. So x times 6 will be 6x. And then I add 3, so I add 3. If my answer is 75, that means this equals to 75. Calculate the number I started with. So this is already I have already constructed my equation. So calculate the number I started with. The number I started with is the x. So basically find x, so solve for x. So I bring 3 over to this side. So plus 3, I will get minus 3. So 6x equals to 72. And then x will be 72 divided by 6, which is 12. So that's how you do it. We'll look at another question. Okay. Mr. Evans is X years old, so they've given you the unknown here. Okay. Mrs. Holden is 1 year older than Mr. Evans. So if Mr. Evan, I'm going to put E for Evan. Okay, I'll just write Evan. Evan is X years old. Miss Holden is 1 year older than Mr. Evan. So 1 year older means Evan is X, means Holden will be X plus 1. And then Miss Stack, the next one, Stack is 5 years younger than Evan. So 5 years younger means if Evan is X, means Stack is 5 years younger. So minus 5. Okay, so these are the three equations for their ages. Then they say the sum of their ages. Sum means addition. So when I add all of them, it should be 86 years old, which means I have X, Evan, plus Holden, X plus 1, plus Stack, which is X minus 5. You want to put them in bracket because you don't want to get confused with any of the positive and negative sign. And the sum of ages is 86 when I add all of them. So when I open up the bracket, I have X plus X plus X. So I have 3X. And then plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5. And this equals to 86. So calculate the age of each of them. So I have to solve for X first. And then I get all the other ages. So when I solve 1 minus 5, I get minus 4 equals to 86. So 3x equals to, I move the minus 4 over to this side, will be 86 plus 4. So 86 plus 4 will be 90. And x will be 90 divide 3, which is 30. So which means x belongs to Evan. So Evan is, now, Evan is x. So Evan is 30 because x equals to 30. So Evan is 30. Holden is X plus 1, 1 year older. So X plus 1 means 31. Stack is 5 years younger than Evan. If Evan is 30, Stack will be 5 years younger. So 25. So these are their ages. So I have uploaded questions. So look at these examples and then attempt to do the quiz that I've uploaded.